In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse money on the Capitec app from a beneficiary. If you've sent money and need to cancel or reverse it for any reason, whether it was sent by mistake or you need to stop a payment, I'll walk you through each step carefully so you can do it without confusion. First, go ahead and open the Capitec mobile banking app on your phone and log into your account. You can do this using your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID, depending on how your account is set up. Once you're logged in and on the home screen, take a look at the bottom menu. This is where you'll find the main options for managing your account. Tap on the Transact option. This section is specifically designed to help you view and manage your past transactions and payments. Once you're in Transact, scroll down until you see the Debit Order option. This is where all your eligible completed transactions are listed. Browse through the list carefully and locate the transaction that you want to reverse. Tap on that transaction to open its details. Once you're viewing it, you'll notice an option called Stop. Tap on Stop to cancel the transaction. Once you confirm, the payment will be reversed and the money will return to your account. It may take a little time to reflect, depending on the type of transaction, but you'll see the funds return to your balance shortly. Now, sometimes when you tap on Debit Order, you might see a message that says, No debit order. This simply means that the transaction you're looking to reverse isn't listed as a debit order and therefore cannot be stopped automatically through the app. Don't worry if this happens. In this case, your next step is to contact Capitec customer support. You can do this directly through the app by calling their support line or visiting a Capitec branch in person. Explain the details of the transaction you want to reverse, and the support team will guide you on the process to request a manual reversal. They can provide instructions on what information you'll need and how long it might take to process the reversal. And that's how you reverse money on the Capitec app from a beneficiary.